is the one you want to go through?
Yeah, this first one. Also, I found out how to design my own card reader on that company. So I designed my own card reader through their website.
That's cool. All right.
Circulation pumps. Are these 3-phase or 1-phase? These are 3-phase. Is there a frequency drive? No frequency converter. I hear that loud humming and I'm assuming it's this. There's no frequency converter, so you can hear it a lot. Heating hot water on the second floor. It depends. These are nice pumps. I'm glad I got to come back here. They haven't done anything with the furniture yet.
No, they're working on it.
The Skawa drive. This is a Japanese company. They make good inverters. But this drive is really slim and it's so compact. So it's perfect. It fits.
Cheaper?
I gotta find out in the quote because I have the website. This is set on 60 hertz. That's why you're hearing that humming noise. It's so potent. Oh, how many pumps are in this room? And yeah, that's open all the time apparently. Now, this, I did not know they keep student records in here. It was. This is another air handler. Now, I've never seen an air handler this old and large. Temp Master, York Company.
What are these?
These are, yeah. If you open these doors while these are running, you cannot open these because you have to let it come to a complete stop. So you could literally walk in these to repair anything, believe it or not. Scary, but yeah, that's how that works. I think this is a frequency converter. Of course, they don't make that anymore. And I don't know if this is running. Now we get a good view through this window. Evaporator room. Well, this is another type of vacuum air handler. There's your primary and secondary heating. And this is the motor control center. Oh, that's very old. They don't make this anymore, according to their website. This motor is kind of big. Nice. And these are like the quietest fans ever, except for the drive. 480 volt. Alright, what's the horsepower on this? This is not even that large of a drive. It's very nice. Neat frequency converter. Now, here's the evaporator room. First, I gotta take reference photos of this door because I am recreating this door. I'm also gonna design my own reader. Alright, I'll let you guys head in. Alright, now here's the evaporator chill water. Now, I don't know how this works. So the chiller water, oh, there's more hydronic heating. So the returning water is going into this pump. No, it's going into this storage tank. I missed this tank, so I'm glad I got to come back. Now, who's the company that made this? Nato. Not bad. All right, this is a good thing I came into this evaporating room. Now, what's this liquid? This is return chiller water. So this is a buffer tank of some sort. The refrigerant. So this is only one of the chillers that are running. Butterfly valves. I don't know who's the company that makes these. These are nice. Big butterfly valves. Never seen a valve that big. I want to see how this works because I do want to recreate an evaporation system. So how this works, return line going into here, into the tank. Then, oh my god, this is confusing. Okay, so it's getting back, it's going back here, return, this is all return, so it's going back into this buffer tank. This is really confusing. Now here's another door that goes to the other side of the control center. It sounds good in here. There we get good photos. Now here's the other side of the mechanical room. Oh, they got, is that a Danfoss VLT drive? Yeah, that's definitely a VLT drive. These are large. See, this looks new because although it looks like a 90s motor control center. It looks like it's new because they slapped the sticker on there. Not bad. Back to the evaporator room. Now this is an ultra low harmonic transformer. That way we don't damage our motors, because it can happen at any time. Now this is a glycol feeder, so we're basically in the glycol room. I don't know if this is propylene or ethylene glycol. We can always check, but I don't want to get necessarily too close to this. Flammability is 0. Personal protection, you don't need any, so it's not necessarily toxic. Sometimes glycol can be really, really toxic. It's very dangerous. More heating hot water. And that does it for room 240. Except for that good sounding air handler. He can even scan his phone on it. That's what I like about these card readers. Wow. See, there's another layer of security. So this is the pump room. It's very hot in here. Perfectly hot. Yeah. I knew we had this frequency converter in here. It's nice. It's actually very tiny. Yep, this is the one I exactly saw at Novi Middle School. They have the same size frequency converter. See, here's more pump. This pump's actually already replaced. That's new. Now I don't know what this is. This is actually another room. According to the floor plan, that could be another equipment room. Hopefully I'm not wrong. But what is it? It's an air handler room. It feels cold in here. Air handler room.
I don't think I've ever opened this.
Not bad.
It's scary.
Great metal. It's really nice. But this is the tiniest air handler room ever, but the air handler is larger than this room. So apparently it might be the hallway circulator. There we got fire sprinkler coupling on it. I don't know if that's running. The fans are loud on these. So here we got some pumps are not frequency converter controlled and some are. Heating hot water. See, there's a little bit of our outdoor air. And here's a bunch of transformers. All there. Very comfortable lighting. Very nice looking mechanical. I also like how you can see through the window a little bit, which I'll have to demonstrate. That's 232 for you guys. Now this, see, you can see a little bit of the frequency converters.